Ciao everyone, my name is Stefano. I am an Italian teacher and I'm known on the web and on Teachable as Teacher Stefano. And I've been teaching Italian for almost 10 years now.
Buongiorno a tutti, I am Mark from Coffee Break Languages. On Teachable, we are the Coffee Break Academy. And I've been teaching Italian and other languages for, a long time, 30 years or something like that.
Hi, my name is Yas, and I'm the Customer Success Lead here at Teachable.
Hello, and I'm Dani. I'm from the product marketing team here at Teachable.
Allora, Yas, we are in Italy, and the first thing that you need to learn is how to order a coffee. It's very easy.
Let's take it slow.
Yeah.
Okay, how do I do it?
So the word for a coffee is un caffè.
Okay, un caffè.
Very good, very good. And you put the right pronunciation in there, the right emphasis, un caffè.
Un caffè.
Now, what you did there was really important because when you're speaking Italian and you've got a double letter, like double F in caffè, what we tend to do is bounce on it. So we un caffè.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you'll see that also in the next word.
Okay, un caffè.
Un caffè. Perfetto.
Un caffè.
Okay. And then to say please, actually in Italian, we'd be more likely to say thank you. So grazie.
Okay, grazie.
Grazie. And you've got to remember there are actually 3 syllables in there. Grazie. Grazie.
Grazie.
Yes, not doing too much of them. Grazie.
Grazie.
Un caffè, grazie.
Un caffè, grazie.
Perfetto. Now, we'll add one more drink in because some people like to order a different type of coffee. If you ask for un caffè, what you're going to get is an espresso coffee, okay?
Okay.
So maybe you'd like something with milk in it, like un cappuccino.
Okay, un cappuccino.
And again, we've got a bounce in there. Un cappuccino.
Un cappuccino.
Okay, and then you say, please.
Un cappuccino, grazie.
Perfetto. Okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Excellent.
Perfetto.
Mark, but what if I want a little something to eat with my coffee?
The most natural thing would be un cornetto.
Okay. Un cornetto, grazie.
Perfetto.
Okay,
Sì, un
then I'm
cornetto.
ready.
Excelente.
I'm ready to go. Okay, but this is for the morning, right? In the evening, we're going to go have a little fun. We might want to order a drink.
Oh, yes, Stefano, please.
Yeah. Maybe some wine? What do you think?
Yes,
Yeah?
teach me
Okay.
how do I
You like
order.
wine?
Yes.
Okay, red or white?
Both.
Both, okay, great. So let's do first red wine. In Italian, we have a word for glass, which is bicchiere.
Bicchiere.
But that's very general. It could be like a glass of water, a glass of milk. If we are referring to a glass of wine, we want to be more specific and we say calice.
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 That's perfect.
Okay.
So we want to say, for example, un calice di vino.
Un calice de... I almost speak Spanish here.
Oh, that's
Un
that's sim-
calice di vino.
Okay, now we add rosso.
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 Un calice di vino rosso.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Italian.
And maybe we can add what actually Mark taught Yas. Un calice di vino rosso. Grazie.
Un calice de vino rosso. Vino.
Mhm.
As if it's Spanish. Un calice de vino rosso. Grazie.
Perfect. Or an alternative might also be per me, for me. So when you're ordering something for yourself, per me, un calice di vino rosso.
Grazie.
Oh, yeah, that too. Yeah.
Per me, un calice de vino rosso. Grazie.
Perfect.
Okay.
And
Amazing.
if I
Perfetto.
want a little snack with my wine.
Yeah, for example, some chips, you might say patatine, un po' di patatine.
Un calice de vino rosso e un po' de patatine.
Exactly, un po' di patatine. Perfect,
Okay.
perfetto.
I think we're good to go.
Yeah,
Let's go to the bar.
yeah, you guys are the
We
best.
can all go to the bar and we'll order for everyone now. Okay,
Perfect.
let's practice. Me in the morning. Un caffè, grazie.
Are you not gonna eat anything with your coffee?
E un cornetto, grazie.
Perfetto.
How did I go?
Perfetto, that was
Okay.
perfect.
5 stars from me. How about you, Dani?
Io voglio.
Oh, wow, you're
Next
okay. That's a
level.
band. Yeah,
Next level.
exactly.
Okay.
That was not on my lesson.
Io voglio un calice di vino rosso. Grazie.
Perfect. Amazing.
Una cosetta.
Sì.
Voglio, mi sembra un po' forte.
Ah.
Vorrei.
Vorrei.
I would like. So voglio is I want.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I really
Do you
want.
Well, it depends on how much you want it, right?
Vorrei.
Ma vorrei.
Vorrei.
Vorrei un calice di vino.
Vorrei un calice di vino rosso.
Okay. Perfect. So we're
Grazie.
ready to go?
Absolutely. Let's go now.
Okay.
And you order for
Let's do
everybody.
this.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Bye.
Ciao.
Guys, breaking news. We just found out something very important. What did you just tell me?
Well, that cappuccino, I mean, it's just a breakfast drink. Like, you don't want to order cappuccino after lunch or after dinner. You can do that if you want, of course, but you're going to get judged. And your waiter is going to look at you and, no, like, are you crazy?
Only in the morning.
Only in the morning for breakfast. Yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. But wine is fine for breakfast.
Wine for breakfast in Veneto? Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yes,
perfect.
yes.
See?
If you go to Venice, you can drink wine for breakfast as well.
That's Italian culture for you. Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Grazie mille.
A presto.